In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can sort stuff on your Excel sheet. So let's say mostly we do that for names. So you can see this section here, this column here, we want to sort the names from A to Z. You get it? So we have A here. So now let's try to sort it from A to Z. So what we need to do is just like we do on Excel all the time, we select the part, we select the range like this. Then you use this option. You can see A to Z here, sort and filter, and we choose from the A to Z, and then we sort it out and we are good to go. Good. And then let's say we want to make it from Z to A, we do the same thing. Select our range here, come here, and then we sort it out like that, and then it starts from the Z. So we don't have a Z, so it's starting from S up to A. So that's it on how you sort stuff on your Excel sheet. Simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. That's it for the video. Peace.